In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram Reels. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram app and then hit at your profile. Now you can tap there at Reels icon, and if you open up a Reel, here just under the heart icon, there you can find like counter, and it shows up the number of likes under that Reels. And let's say I want to hide that counter, but unfortunately I can't do it on Instagram app. So I have to open up my Safari web browser, then go to instagram.com, and here I have to be logged into my Instagram account. And then I can open up my profile, tap here at Reels icon, and from here I can tap on Reel. Here I got 5 likes under that Reel, but unfortunately I can't hide likes on mobile version of the website. At Safari browser I can scroll down for a bit just to make that move to bring up that toolbar, and here tap at letters icon, and from here select request desktop website. And right now I can tap here on these 3 dots icon and there select hide like count. Now I can scroll down, and as you can see there are no more like counter under heart icon. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.